What do you think?
This is scary. I'm cold.
Why are we in a junkyard? It was cheap.
We thought it'd be better.
That would be cool.
There's not even anywhere to sleep. Okay, fine. I'll quit complaining. Done. Help me.
I'll help you.
Careful! It's gonna fall!
I need a safer water tank right away.
You need to be more careful.
Oops, sorry.
But we don't have any money. I need to think of something. I know what to do. We should make a fish tank.
But then Travis will be so far away from us.
Are you thinking what I'm thinking? Let's get to work. I'll help.
They're so weird.
We nailed it.
Ugh, it's so dusty here.
We need to clean up. Do you need help? No, I can handle it myself. We have to hurry. Okay.
We'll help you.
Maybe I can help.
Don't worry, just relax.
This bed is so basic. We want a colorful one.
We can paint it. I'll help. You can't eat with dirty hands. That's definitely inedible. Oh, we'll have to paint this ASAP.
Are you sure you know how to paint?
Of course. What are you doing? Painting the bed. The kittens would do a better job.
We'd love to help.
Fine. You're the best.
We like this.
I need a break. This is kind of hard.
We want to cuddle with cushions, not wood. It's so soft now.
I found another pillow. I'll handle this. What would you do without me, sis?
I'm so lonely.
You need friends.
I wish Travis had a friend like Mimi.
Let's get more fish. Perfect. This was my favorite money box. This is definitely enough for a fish. Go find some rocks for the fish tank. What kind of fish do you like?
White is calming. Orange is pretty.
I'll order all of them. What you got there? You told me to get rocks, right? We need little pebbles, not huge boulders.
Sam, you're the best. Awesome. I love pebbles.
We got the fish delivery. Bring them in. That'll work.
What are you working on?
Catching fish.
What? Hey, what about the money? I hate this job.
The fish tank's almost ready. So are the fish.
Can we keep an eye on the fish?
Sure, but be careful.
Wow, so cool!
Beautiful. What do you think of your friends?
I don't know. They're not saying anything.
I'm so tired. So am I.
Let us down!
I think you need stairs. Hey, hold the top. We slayed.
Cool! It's like a roller coaster ride!
I have an idea. You can't use rocks for everything, you know. It'll be cooler this way.
Nice! We're rock climbers!
Finally, we can take a break. I think you need your own beds.
That would be great!
What do you think?
I love it!
I'm scared of sharks.
I'm scared of sharks too!
I have an idea. I'll help you. Let's draw a star. Do you have scissors? Only these. Now that's more like it. Let's cut this out. And glue it. It needs some soft stuffing. Be right back. Found it. Whoa, where'd you get that bunny from? The neighbors. Here. That was a pretty great idea.
What a comfy bed! That's right!
What if they get scared at night? Maybe we need a nightlight.
Yes! Shaped like a jellyfish!
I hope you don't bring us an actual jellyfish. I have a better idea. What's going on? Go find a light bulb. I know. Found one. Now you won't be scared.
What a cool nightlight!
Help!
What's wrong, Travis?
The water's leaking out.
What do we do? Guys, we need your lights to save the fish.
Help! Help!
Maybe this'll help? Guys, we're almost there.
We need water to live.
Thank you, guys. We made it.
We're bored!
Yeah, we need something fun. You need a claw sharpener. I know. This just needs to be filed down. I'll help.
What are you doing there?
What are you doing? Filing it down. How about you go find us some fabric? The kittens need it more. Isn't that my blanket? It's for the kittens.
What a big scratcher! Thanks!
Finally, I can catch up on my own stuff.
We want some toys!
What toys should we make for you? Toy sea urchins. I've seen kids playing with them in the park. Yeah, we're gonna make some pom-poms.
Yay! I always wanted to be a cheerleader!
We'll wrap this around here, tie it off, and cut it.
What about sea urchins?
Sam's taking a while. Here we go. I got this spiky thing from a kid in the park. I meant these. Oops. I'll be right back.
I wanted something more glamorous!
Gotcha. Let's make some bows.
Slay! This is so fun!
What are you gonna do with all this? You're about to see. Watch and learn.
Wow, that's so cool!
Wow. I'm talented, right?
Are you gonna beat us, or what?
The kittens are hungry. We need to go to the pet store. We don't have enough money. Fine, we'll find something cheaper. Let's go, babies. Hi. Aw, so cute. Stay here. We'll be right back. We have the best kitten food here.
Let's go play! Look at that ball! Oh no! We're trapped!
This is so heavy. Is it too heavy for you? Oh no! Where are the kittens? They ran away!
We're here! I don't think they can see us!
Oh my god! What's happening?
Guys, comment down below that we're in the carrier!
We're terrible pet owners! Guys, have you seen our kittens? You're okay! We were so worried. Thanks, guys! You saved our babies! Please accept this as an apology. Here you go! I do love chocolate. Just play for now.
This is so fun! Is it all for us?
Of course, baby!
We're hungry.
Bring the bowls. I think we forgot to get some. We're totally out of money. Even chocolate money.
We'll do it ourselves! Watch and learn! That's easy!
Wow. How'd you learn how to do this?
Get me a glass of water!
Here you go. You did great! Enjoy your meal! I think we're missing something. I know! Decorations! Good idea! Give me my hot glue gun! Here you go! What did you do to it? It was so ugly before! Give it to me! I think we're out of glue. Oh no! But we didn't finish!
Look! Something's glowing up!
Won't it explode? I wonder what it could be. Are these my dolls? What's that? What is this place?
We're homeless now.
Our houses!
Stay calm. We'll get it fixed. Oh. Sorry. The new houses are gonna be on a whole nother level.
Gotta clean up first!
This place is hard to live in.
Clean this up too.
A moment, baby.
We could use some cozy vibes!
Much better.
Whoa!
It's still missing something.
Great highlight. The construction is on.
Simple boxes don't tickle my fancy!
Fair point. It's basic. Hey, easy there. Oops, my mistake. Is that good with you?
Yeah, it is!
Let's make it a reality.
Oh!
What? Keep an eye on Shelly. Okay.
What are you up to?
Patience. What is she doing? There. Oh. Give back the dog.
Flawless.
Our house tops that.
I'm really into it.
We know who can do it better.
A little gloomy.
Pink is the missing piece. There's a fix to that.
I live for pink.
It's gonna be something else entirely. One last touch.
Mind-blowing.
What shade is gonna work for us?
I feel like this one.
As you say.
Yes! Nice shot.
Lovely. Huh. It's missing something.
There must be a passage.
Uh-huh. There you have it.
Marvelous.
Question is, how do you get up?
We'll fashion a ladder. Oh. That should work. All done.
Doesn't look safe to me.
Luscious. That's what I need. That was my candy. Oops, dropped it.
Cheer up.
Cry, baby.
What's your next move?
Roof decoration. I need a place to DIY. You mean this? Nah, mine is gonna be cuter. Much better.
What are you gonna do?
We'll make stripes first. And braid. What do you think?
It's cute. Like some decor.
Oh. That's pretty. There's no such thing as too much pink. Ew. That's an overkill. That's cool.
Whoa.
Jealousy's not good for you. Did you see that? Comment down below what you think. So tacky. Jealousy is bad. Too sweet. Too gloomy.
We really love our houses. Darkness scares me.
We need lighting.
That'll work. Ooh, that's gross. That's unfair. You snooze, you lose. What do you do about that?
Will that come in handy?
I guess I have an idea. A stylish floor lamp.
Adorable.
Luxurious.
I love it.
Some chic vibes never hurt.
I'd like some stars.
Now we're talking. We'll light it up.
Rock music is the best.
The beat will make it light up.
Here.
Thanks. This is a good spot. What's your take? Oh, wow.
It's stylish.
What do we sleep on?
We have to figure out a sleeping spot for you.
I want a nice bed.
We'll work it out. Not glamorous, if you ask me. Something interesting. That needs some washing.
Oh, wow.
Stunning!
Do we need this?
Nah. What the heck are you doing?
I suggest we use this.
Sounds like a plan. What's going on? It'll be a nice carpet.
Color it.
Say no more.
Slay.
Wrap it around here.
It's coming really well. So that's it?
Bestie, I need your hand. Girl, I'm here for you. Hey, doll. You look like $1,000,000, doll. That's a sweet puppy. I'm gonna throw up again. It calls for decoration.
Oh.
Girl, it's the it thing these days.
Magical.
I gotta be somewhere. See ya, babies.
So soft.
Absolutely tacky.
What would you make for me?
It's gonna be nothing like that.
Whoa.
Oh, wow.
Newton, do you wanna play? Find it.
I'm hungry too.
Baby, it's not that big of a deal. Pretty good. Where's Milka? I have a gut feeling. What's this?
Sorry, I'm starving.
Snack time. Ta-da!
It's missing this.
Some boogie vibes.
It's sparkly.
And done.
Now this is up my alley.
Yeah, feed me.
Whatever.
Thanks a lot.
Oh.
A snack for me? You're amazing. What about me?
Cheer up.
It's good. Thank you all the same. You're scared.
Well played.
Don't cry.
I also want play. Is that good?
Oh.
Absolutely. Let's do it this way.
Perfect. How much longer?
There. Do you like it?
Feels off.
Gotta stuff the toy.
That's sick.
Feisty vibes.
I'm having a blast.
I love playing.
Use it for the toy.
Unleash your creativity. First, you cut it into pieces.
What's next?
Now make a rope.
I want to help. It's fun.
Catch.
I'm tired.
What's this?
How can it possibly be so tacky? You mean your toy? Let's doll up a tad.
I love that.
It's missing some pieces.
Pull something off with this.
Uh-huh.
Coming right up. That'll come in handy.
Flamingos are my obsession.
On it. Ta-da! dig in. That'll perfectly match the interior design.
Is that another toy?
It's not. It's a mirror.
Awesome. That's cool.
So cozy.
Appreciate it.
The houses are really cool.
Hey, Kitty! I'd love to have a house as well.
Which one do you prefer?
This one's nice.
I'll build a house for you too.
Hurry up!
What's the fuss?
I want the house to be over here.
Gosh, what a hideous outfit.
Ew.
What the? Actually, I love it. You look like a wedding cake.
Oh.
Thanks, Sam. I love cakes. That wasn't a compliment.
You don't have a lot of time.
I'd hurry if I were you.
Oh. That's exactly what we need. I gotta win no matter what. I saw bows in the corner. I'll find something for you too. I'm gonna win for sure. Okay, fine.
You're such a rebel.
What happened? Sam, did you do this? What do I do now?
We'll figure it out.
Uh-huh.
Cool. So what should I do?
I'll help you.
Oh. Ow. Be more careful. What the? Berry! Perfect!
What?
What is she doing? This is too boring, even for me. I can help! Go away!
Now that's what I call rage.
That's way cuter!
You can make a roof.
Great idea! I'll need… Yes!
I think we're missing something.
Oh yeah, we also need… strawberries!
Oh.
Yummy! Super yummy. I wish good things would just fall into my lap.
Careful what you wish for.
What? That's not what I meant. Okay, but what do I do with this?
I'll help you.
Wow.
I need something scary. Oh gosh, what's happening?
Don't be scared. They're not real.
Oh. Actually, they're kind of cute.
Now that's spooky.
I don't have any ideas. Loser.
You only have 1 minute left.
Hurry up, or you'll get stuck here.
What? What? Maybe this will work?
Are you kidding me?
What do we do? Stay calm. Use your head. Guys, like this video to give us more time. It's not working.
Guys, help save the girls.
No, don't help them.
Please, we can't do it without you. Thanks, guys.
Now get to work.
And make it snappy.
This will be a bed for you.
It's like a cloud.
Now let's go look for something to decorate it with.
I'm tired. I want a bed too.
Whoa.
You're welcome. You want me to sleep on a hardboard?
You'll be fine.
What did you say?
Okay, fine.
Oh.
I'll just borrow a little bit. There we go.
I like this.
But what happened? Guys, did you see who ruined my bed? Tell me in the comments.
But now you have room for a pillow.
A little magic. And done.
It's so soft. Great job.
We need lights.
So much gloomier.
I'm tired and hungry.
Wow.
I also want to go on vacation.
I love the beach.
It was worth a shot. We can use this to make food and water bowls for you.
Yummy.
Boring. Loser. I can do that too. Show me what you've got. I'm hungry. What is that?
It's what you deserve.
Okay, let's try this. I want to go on vacation. What is this?
I love hiking. This is so cool.
Yeah, super cool. Way better than hers. Hey! Hey, where's the food? Is anyone here going to work? Hey, be careful.
I think you should be more polite.
Are you okay? Get away from me. But leave. It's hard being bad.
Don't worry. You did everything right.
She's annoying and all, but you should still apologize.
I will. You sure? Fine. This is for you. Are you apologizing? We can skip that. Just let me know if you need anything. This much sugar isn't bad for my teeth. But maybe I could turn this into toys.
Is that all for me?
Yeah, buddy. Here's your ball. You want it? Your balls are ready.
I like it like this.
Now let's tie a bow around it. That's way cuter. Sam, isn't it cool? Ugh, so sweet. I'm gonna be sick. She's a lost cause. I'll show you what's cool.
Ooh, so evil.
This is cool.
It'll be my cushion.
I'd love to see you try. What should I do?
I know.
Oh.
You should draw us to show who is cooler.
I'll just have to beat you again. We'll see about that.
Go for it.
Ew, pink. Ooh, pink. What a gloomy color. Hey. Ooh, great color.
Come on. How much longer?
Unicorn? You don't get it. My dog is a superhero.
I love it.
A super dog on a super unicorn. What is that? A masterpiece. Unicorns are cute, but motorcycles? A cat on a motorcycle is seriously cool.
I agree!
Let's wrap this up already. Looks good. What's up, baby?
I want to have some fun.
No problem. Let's cheer you up.
What is it gonna be?
You'll see. Let's glue up the bottom.
What's next?
Adding some color.
It's bright.
Let's poke holes.
Is it gonna take long?
Almost done, honey.
Is it ready?
Wait. Enjoy.
It's yummy and funny.
Let's continue with the house.
I'm happy. Thanks.
Okay, I just have to finish the front.
We're not gonna help you anymore.
You can figure this out yourselves!
Okay, I have an idea. So do I. Slay!
Yeah!
How cute!
I love it.
Okay. My house is way better. Yes! Hi!
You're out of time!
I have a princess house! I have a queen of darkness house.
So that means you're both cool.
Believe it or not, but you really did it! Now you'll have to pick the best house.
Guys, whose house was better? Vote in the comments.
Can you be careful? I finally look normal again. You look even better this way. I can finally leave.
Hi, boss. Everything in the store is going great. Thanks for watching the dog.
But Dad, I want to keep him. Dad? Fine. Then I'll get my own pet.
Do whatever you want.
What are you doing? Asking my followers what kind of pet to get? We're not done. Or maybe we are?
I don't even have enough for food.
Whoa, so cute! You'll be the new star of my channel! Keep the change! Let's go home!
Don't worry, I have somebody for you too. Really? Yep, here you go. I have a new friend, yay! Buddy, you need something special. Do you want your own house?
Whoa, my own house?
Of course, but we need to see how much money we have.
Let's go.
This won't be enough.
What about the piggy bank?
Duh, how could I forget? Guys, like this video so I can get more money.
What if we use this?
I have no other choice. $5, $10, only $100.
It's less than $1 million, but it's more than nothing.
Hi, guys! I got sent this super stylish house for my little angel. Let's build it together. If it doesn't work out, I can sleep in the box.
I promise it'll be perfect.
Look at
all this stuff. Do you like it?
How about you get building?
Let's see here. Whoa, this would be any cat's dream.
Uh-huh.
It's only cute on paper.
Why isn't it working? Where's Audrey? Audrey! Miss Olivia, allow me. How are you today? I'm fine, Miss Olivia. Hit that fire button for Audrey! Wow, it looks sick!
Oh.
What do you guys think?
Not bad for a start, but we're not done.
There's a lot left. That's weird. Are you sick? Wow, that's so great. How many kittens do you think my little princess will have? Guess in the comments.
I need to figure out how to make a cool house for cheap.
Maybe we can make a castle or a cave.
On our budget? I love football.
A ball. Let's play.
Hold on. What if we make a doghouse in the style of a football?
Whoa, I'll be the coolest dog in town.
Just imagine this is your house. We'll add gates, grass. You'll live like a champion.
Yay!
We just need some grass and a barrel.
And a bowl. And toys.
You're right, buddy. Let's go.
So the house frame is ready. Now we have to add lighting and a bed.
Finally, something soft.
This will make the house way cozier. It should shine like a star. Wow, look how pretty! Lights make everything better. Wow, thanks! And now the most important part. A comfy bed for my queen.
It's so soft. Thanks.
Here's what we need. Nobody's looking.
Shh, be careful.
Done. Let's go before we get caught. Hey, you there. What are you doing with our lawn? Nothing much.
Should we run?
This is unacceptable. I have to write you a ticket. This ended up being way more expensive.
At least we got the grass.
Now let's add a fish tank wall.
As long as the fish aren't boring.
I've got everything ready. Thanks, Audrey! I think this goes here. Or maybe not.
Uh-huh.
I knew I could trust you! Done. There we go! Now this house has a whole underwater world!
Not bad. They're even moving.
Thanks for watching! Now like, subscribe, and comment what else we should add to our house!
Bad luck. Now that looks like a real field. Done. Now you won't just have a house, but a whole stadium. Just a sec. I knew this would come in handy.
Wow.
Just gotta get it ready.
Hurry up. I want to try it out.
Let's make a door.
Cool. He's a real pro.
What do you think, baby?
This rocks. Our house is gonna be the best.
Nice. Just gotta add a couple more details to finish it off.
Hi, besties! We're about to do the best part. Make a play zone! Now, what are you up to?
Everything has to be super colorful. Look, a playground.
Okay, that's pretty cool.
A brush wall, just like at a beauty salon.
Ooh, that's nice.
Okay, buddy, we're almost done. Let's make a real football.
Great. This is gonna be the best house ever.
I need to make sure everything's secure.
I can't wait to get in.
We're almost done.
Look how cool.
Now that's what I call a football.
It's nice in here. A house fit for a champion.
We did it. We just have to add a couple of details and it'll be 100% ready.
Hi again! The house is almost ready, but now we have to add a food bowl. Where's our queen? Do you see her? She must be hiding up top. Look at these little babies! When did this even happen?
These are my babies. We need way more bowls and a lot more food.
Don't worry, babies. I'll get you your own dishes.
I'm full.
Isn't that adorable? Comment kitten name ideas.